This is Prancer. He's a very interesting and unique dog. He likes licking, but he really likes certain sounds. This is another dog, Samson. He's a very obedient dog, but he also has certain reactions to different sights. This is Toto. He's the cutest. He also has a very special channel. This is Fredo. This is Roxy. She doesn't know how to stand up. Roxy, stand. Say hi. Ah. I can control her emotions with my hands. I know. But for the first time, they will be premiering together as one big happy dog family. Welcome, Toto, Fredo, Roxy, Prancer, and Samson. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
Otherwise the video's gonna be shaky.
Toto, Fredo, Rocky, Prancer, and Samson. Welcome, Toto, Fredo, Prancer.